morning, 6th standard children. We are discussing question answer, page number 40, question number B. Now we are going to discuss. Okay, so you all be ready with your answer. What is the question you see? He went. Now it is clearly visible. He went to his classroom. Mute from your side now. Classroom and asked. Wait a second, children. So he went to his classroom and asked. So what he asked? You see, asked his teacher about the small boy outside the school gate. Outside the school gate. So this is the question which you can see in the book also. Okay. And now we can discuss. First question is, who is he in these lines? Who will answer this question?
Right.
Yes, say. One by one all say. Yes, say.
Sir, Kailash.
Kailash. Any another child is having any answer?
Sir, Kailash Satyarthi.
Kailash.
Sir, Kailash Satyarthi.
Okay, Kailash Satyarthi, full name. Any another answer? No. So, correct answer is Kailash Satyarthi. Now second, so here we will tick first option because first option is Kailash. Second one you see, who was the small boy outside? Who will say this answer?
Sir, may I?
Okay, so one by one.
Sir, Cobbler's son.
Yes, one by one.
Cobbler's son. The small boy who was Cobbler's son. Sir, the small boy outside the school was Cobbler's son.
Yes, always try to say complete sentence. Okay, that the small boy outside the school was cobbler's son. Okay, any another child is there who want to say the answer? No. So, if anyone is leaving the class, one notification used to come, children, on the mobile screen that this child has left the class, and I am having the screen recording on. Okay, and you are knowing that these recordings used to go on YouTube and this is linked in the Pocket app. So if you are leaving the class, then all are knowing this that you left the class. So little bit you work on this. Okay. So who was the school boy outside? Now we know the answer. He was the cobbler's son. What did he want to know? Okay.
May I say the answer? Sir, may I say?
Okay, so one by one. Okay.
He wanted to know why is he working and not coming to school like him.
Okay. Another
Sir, now I can say? Sir, Kailash Satyarthi thought that I'm studying in this good school, but why this cobbler's son is outside the school and not studying and polishing the shoes, which is not good for the students?
Which is not good for the children. Okay, correct answer. So both are
May
correct
I?
answer. Okay. So this only I expect from the children, that imagine in the class if 30 students are there, all 30 students are writing the same answer, all answers are correct, but the way of expressing the answer can be different. Okay.
Sir, may I?
Yes, say who is this? Say your name also. Okay. So
Sir,
that I will,
Astha Rani.
yes, I will get the idea who is not speaking the answer. Okay, Astha, say the answer.
Kailash Satyarthi wanted to know why the son of the cobbler cannot go to the school. Why the cobbler is not sending the son to the school. Why the cobbler's son has no dream in his eyes.
Yes, very good answer. So let me refix the camera. Okay. Then, what did he want to know? This we have done. What was the teacher's response? Who will say this answer?
Sir, may I?
Sir, I can.
Say
I
your,
can.
yes, say your name and then say the answer.
Sir, Varsa.
Yes, say the answer now. So who wants to say the answer?
Sir, may I ask Rani?
Okay, so
Sir,
what-
may I answer?
yes, yes, say the answer, children, but make discipline also. So one by one you will speak, okay?
Sir, Namrata Raman. Sir, Kailash Satyarthi thought that this cobbler's son is not studying in the school like me. And when he asked to his teacher, his teacher responds him not to keep his brain on those cobbler's sons and keep his eyes and concentrate on studies.
Okay, good answer. Any another child want to say the answer?
Sir, I asked Rani.
Yes, say your name, start your answer. Okay, be quick.
Sir, the teacher respond that instead of asking this question, you should be attentive in class. He also discouraged Kailash Satyarthi from asking this type of questions.
Yes, very good. Any another child who want to say the answer?
Yes, sir, I.
Yes, say your
The
name
teacher asked.
and say the
The
answer.
teacher responded him to be attentive in the class rather than thinking about what was happening outside.
Yes, good. Another child, say your name,
Sir.
then say the answer.
Sir, I Varsa.
Okay,
So
Varsha,
the
say the answer.
Kailash Satyarthi was discouraged to asking this question because the ma'am said that please concentrate on your studies. Don't waste your time on other things.
Okay, so here I will say something. Don't add anything from your side in the answer, because in the book, teacher is not saying please don't think about what is happening outside the school. Okay, okay, but your answer is good. And any another child wants to say the same answer? No one. Then we can discuss, children. Second question. So I am erasing the first question now, and the second question we can discuss. Okay. Today we will discuss think and write part also, because you all children are giving answers nicely. Nicely you have understood the story. I had not seen. So can you message once again? Maybe it was important. Okay, children. One day he saw the cobbler beating his son. Okay, the boy was crying in so loudly. What was the question? Who saw this scene? Who will say this answer?
Sir,
Sir, I Varsha.
So one by one. Okay, Varsha, say the answer.
Sir, this scheme was seen by the Kailash Satyarthi.
Okay, second question. Why was the son beaten? Who will say this answer?
Sir, Namrata Raman.
Okay.
Sir, I Varsha.
No. Now Varsha,
Some-
you give chance to
Tirag.
other children. Okay, Namrata.
Sir,
you
may
say-
I, sir, Namrata Raman?
Okay, Namrata, you say second answer. Yes. Who is this?
Sir, the son was beaten because the cobbler's son's father asked him to hide all the shoes which was of leather, all the shoes in a plastic sheet. But instead of hiding the shoes, the cobbler's son it was raining, and instead of hiding the shoes, the cobbler's son the cobbler's son hid itself in those plastic seats, and all the leather shoes were wet. And he was bitten because the father cobbler was afraid if these all leather shoes will be destroyed, then he have to pay his customer. And from where will he bring this much of money?
Okay, very good answer. Any another child wants to say the same answer? Sir, your
Yes,
voice
sir,
is
I
not
can.
coming properly.
Varsha.
And someone is तुम group क्यों left कर रहा? So don't type anything in Hindi, okay? And if voice is not coming to any one particular child, then you rejoin the class. Okay, maybe your internet connection network issue can be there. So any another child wants to say this answer? Kritika,
Yes, sir,
Divyanshu,
I can Varsha.
Priyanshu, Anshika, you are Abhinav, Riya, you all are not saying answer. Pratham, Chirag, Sneha, Saurabh. So
I have said answer.
Oh, you have said. Okay. Okay. So why was the son beaten? Who will say this answer?
Sir, I can.
Yes, say.
Sir, the son beaten because when his father gave him a plastic sheet to cover the shoes, but instead of covering the shoes, he covered himself to hide from the rain. And when the father came, because the leather and the shoes was wetted, and leather and he was with his son.
Okay.
Sir,
So
now may I?
this answer is also good answer. Okay.
Sir, may I?
Yes. Say your name and then say the answer.
Astha Rani. Sir,
Astha,
the
you have
son
said
was
that.
beaten by his father because instead of protecting the shoes with plastic seat, he protected himself with the plastic seat.
Yes. Very short answer, to the point answer. Any boy wants to say the answer? Any boy?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Say your name.
Sir.
Okay. Say the answer.
The son was beaten because instead of protecting the shoes from getting wet, he wrapped himself with the plastic sheet.
Okay, very good. Saurav, you don't speak in between. Okay. Everything is recorded and we can find out easily who is speaking. So you can take this as warning, boy. Don't do this. This is not good. We all are learning so that in future we can get respect, we can work nicely. Okay, you don't want to work nicely in future. You don't want to do anything in life. You want to do. I know this. Okay. So you are also good boy. You also listen. Third question you see. What did the person do on seeing this? Who will say this answer?
Sir, can I say Versa?
Sir,
Uh,
Namrata Raman.
any another
Sir,
child?
Versa?
Okay, so you all can say the answer. One by one you say the answer. What did the person
Sir,
do on seeing this? Start.
the person the person do on seeing this that he gave his favorite umbrella to the cobbler's son.
Yes, good answer.
Sir, Namrata Raman.
Yes, say answer.
May I start? So the person do on seeing this, his brother brought him a raincoat and his favorite umbrella. So when he saw him beating, he asked him, and then he gave that umbrella to cobbler's son.
Yes, correct.
Sir, may I ask Harani?
Yes, say.
Sir, the person first of all inquired the cobbler why he was beating his son. After knowing the reason, after listening the reason, he felt very sad and he just gave his favorite umbrella to the cobbler's son.
Okay, so his favorite umbrella he has given to the cobbler's son. Right. Very good thing. Third question you see. Think how grateful they and their parent would be to you for the rest of their life. Who says this and to whom? Who will say this answer?
Sir, Namrata Raman, may I start?
Yes, start the answer.
So they think how grateful they and their parents would be to you for the rest of their lives. Kailash said these words to the people.
Okay, so Kailash said this to the people, right? So boys, what you are doing in the class? You are not replying how much girls are giving reply.
Sir, may I say?
Yes, say.
Sir, may I say?
Yes, one by one, all will say, okay?
The person gave his favorite colored umbrella to the boy.
No, this question no, I am asking this one. Question number
The which
3A.
one?
Think how grateful they and their parent would be to you for the rest of their lives. Who says this and to whom?
This was said by Kailash. This was said by Kailash to the people of his locality.
Yes, correct.
Sir, this sentence was said by the Kailash Satyarthi to the people who was living in the local society.
Yes, correct. Any other child wants to say?
Yes, sir.
Say.
Sir, Kailash Satyarthi said these words to the people of his hometown.
So their parent would be to you for the rest of their lives. Now the next question we can talk. Whom does the speaker refer to as they? Okay. They and their
Sir,
parents.
Namrata Raman, may I start?
So now you pause. I will see those all children, those who are not speaking, like Anshika, Divyanshu, Abhinav Anand, and who is there? Sneha Bharti, Riya, and Saurabh. See, if you will speak answers in the class, no, in future, you will get confidence to do anything. Okay. Are you
Sir, may I
understanding?
stay?
Yes, say.
So the speaker referred to as they were the poor people.
Any different answer? Anyone wants to give? So they
So may I
refer.
say it again?
So they refer to the children those who are not able to buy the books. Okay. Why would they
So
be
may I say
grateful?
it again?
Yes, they would become very grateful after getting the book. Two more questions are there in think and write. This we will finish and then the lesson will be completed. Okay. So you see, answer these questions. Kailash was struck by the difference between his own life and that of cobbler's son at a very young age. What does this tell you about him? Now let me see who will
Sir,
say.
may I say?
Yes, say.
So Kailash was struck by the difference
Excuse
between
me,
his
sir.
life and the cobbler life because when he saw his life, he was very neat and clean. He was tended by school by their parents. The parents were to love him, and they were they were forcing him to study. But in other hand, the cobbler's son was too untidy, and he was not sent by the school by their parents, and and the cobbler's son was not loved properly by his father, and this was the difference. And by seeing this, he was. I can say that Kailash Satyarthi was
Sir,
too
page
kind, and
number.
he used to
This
care
is
about
page number
others also.
41. Okay, so nearly correct answer. Any another child wants to say the same answer?
So which page number?
Page number 41, think and write first question. So one more question is here which I have to discuss. So little bit be fast children.
Sir, may I?
Yes, say.
Sir, this tells us about him that he used to think about the others.
Okay, so now listen my answer. I will say
Sorry,
only
sir.
keywords and you have to
Sir,
make the answer
may I
around the
continue?
keyword. Kailash was struck by the difference between his own life and that of the cobbler's son at a very young age. What does this tell you about him? So, about him, we can understand that he was very sensitive child. You know what is the meaning of sensitive? Sensitive? Sensitive means anything he is watching which is happening wrong, then he is becoming alert. That is called sensitive. Then, second, he has given umbrella also, so he is a kind child. Okay? And we can say good person, humble person, polite one, and intelligent also. You see how he managed to collect the books and how he engaged his headmaster also in his work, okay, social activity. So intelligent also and having leadership quality also. So these all points you use and you make your answer nicely. Second question you see, the teacher, the headmaster and the cobbler told Kailash that it was normal for a cobbler's son to take up his father's profession and for the children of the poor to work for a living. All said same answer, teacher also, headmaster also, cobbler also. Do you think that this is true? Do you think this is true? Is there nothing wrong in thinking so? Who will say this answer? Who will say this answer?
Sir, it's little bit hard.
Okay, so I will help you. The question is saying that cobbler's son is becoming cobbler only. Okay. So do you think this is correct?
sir.
Yes, no is the right answer. So first answer we got no. I don't think that this is true. First answer you can write this. Is there nothing wrong in thinking so? So yes, this is wrong in thinking so. Why? Because we don't know the potential and will and creativity of the child whom we are saying that you have to do the work of cobbler only. You see, B.R. Ambedkar, he was born in a very poor family in low caste, right? So caste system we should not think about this, but he was born and he was the head of the committee who has written the constitution of our country, and we all accept this. So children, low caste, high caste, middle class, okay, these things never matters. The important thing is what you can do for others, that is important. If you are doing something good for others, then people will not talk about anything else, right? So like this, some good point you can write by yourself, your own creativity and thinking. Thank you all children for having the class. Have a good day.